And now let's have a look at the latest productivity features on YouTube, the creation tools. If you click on creation tools, you will see two options, the audio library and the video editor. Now there was a problem earlier for YouTube producers finding good quality background music. If they used music from the internet in their videos, it would often be marked as a copyright violation by somebody, and then the value of video would be reduced, it would never rank, or it would be taken off in some circumstances. So what Google did is they gave you a library of free tracks that you can use, and it's a huge library. I think there are thousands of tracks in this, and you can see them organized by different genres, by different moods, instruments, and so on. You can listen to the track right here by clicking on it. And if you want, you can download it and use it in your videos safely. So if you're producing videos in which you have narrations, or if you're showing demonstrations of things, I would strongly recommend that you use the tracks from this library instead of getting tracks from elsewhere. Firstly, it's all free. Secondly, it's very safe because it's a gift to you from Google. So Google is never going to mark your video for a copyright violation for using these tracks. So use these and stay safe. The second feature is video editor. Now this is something that I personally never use. But if you've uploaded videos to YouTube, you can actually use the video editor to edit your videos, maybe snip something here and there. It's not very difficult to use. All you need to do is click on this and then just use the different settings here, and then finalize your video and publish it. It will be saved according to whatever changes you made. So these are the creation tools, which are two awesome new additions, and I'm sure you will get to see more from Google in this category.